Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your Messenger app to Instagram so you can easily keep up with everyone. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So just open up the Messenger application on your mobile and then tap on these three bars in the top left. When you are on this page, tap on this settings gear. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see this option account settings. Click on this. It will load up this page. Once you are on this account settings page, scroll down and tap on this account center and it will show you these options. From these options, tap on setup account centers. From here you have to tap on this accounts. You have to tap on this add accounts and it will show you your Instagram profile and it will take a couple of seconds to do its things. And now from here you have to choose your account like continue as your account and now tap on this confirm account. So you can see that my account has already connected with another account, but you can connect your Instagram account with Messenger. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.